Ladies and gentlemen, today I am excited to introduce you to a vehicle that has completely redefined the meaning of strength, versatility, and full-size capability in the US commercial van segment. This is not just another big van on the road. This is the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Extended 3500XD, a machine that stands as a symbol of power, premium engineering, and unlimited possibilities. In the American market, where durability and performance matter the most, this Sprinter Extended model comes forward as a true giant in its class. When you look at the Sprinter Extended 3500XD for the first time, the very first thing you notice is its sheer size. It is long, tall, muscular, and incredibly commanding. The extended body provides massive cargo space, making it the ideal choice for delivery businesses, event companies, contractors, transportation services, off-grid van life builders, and anyone who needs maximum room and maximum capability. In the USA, customers demand power with comfort, efficiency with durability, and luxury with reliability, and the Sprinter is built exactly for that. Under the hood, the 3500XD model comes with a strong, efficient diesel engine that delivers outstanding torque. Paired with Mercedes-Benz's advanced transmission, this van handles heavy loads effortlessly whether you are cruising on US highways, moving through busy cities, or climbing steep rural roads. This model was engineered to perform in every condition America has to offer, from the heat of Texas to the snow and mountains of Colorado. The XD, in its name, stands for extra duty, and in the real world, that means more strength, more hauling power, and more confidence for the driver. Step inside, and the Sprinter impresses you instantly with its premium feel. Unlike typical cargo vans, Mercedes-Benz has designed the interior with the comfort of a luxury SUV and the practicality of a true workhorse. The cabin is refined, quiet, and spacious. The dashboard features a modern touchscreen display with navigation, digital controls, and connectivity options that make long drives easier and more enjoyable. Whether the owner is running a business, transporting people, or converting this van into a luxury camper, the Sprinter provides a world-class interior ready for any purpose. Safety is another reason why the Sprinter Extended 3500XD has become a top choice across America. It includes advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, attention assist, rear view cameras, and optional 360-degree views. These technologies aren't just helpful, they make the Sprinter one of the safest vans you can drive on US roads. Mercedes-Benz understands that businesses depend on their vehicles every single day, and safety is the first requirement for every operator, passenger, and cargo. One of the biggest advantages of the Extended 3500XD is the giant cargo volume. This is one of the longest and largest vans legally allowed in the commercial category. American businesses love it because it allows them to carry more equipment, more inventory, and more tools with fewer trips. Time is money in the USA, and the Sprinter saves both. The high roof option also gives you full standing height, turning the van into a mobile workshop, a delivery powerhouse, or even a luxury RV conversion dream. Speaking of conversions, the Sprinter is the king of customization in the US. The extended body with extra-duty chassis makes it perfect for building mobile offices, executive shuttles, limo vans, off-road adventure rigs, or luxury homes on wheels. Its strong frame, smooth ride quality, and huge interior space have made it one of the most popular choices for American van life creators and professional van conversion companies. The Sprinter Extended 3500XD is more than a van, it's a platform for creativity. Fuel efficiency is another highlight. Even with its big size and extra-duty capability, the diesel engine is surprisingly economical. American buyers appreciate vehicles that combine mileage with strength, and Mercedes-Benz has delivered that balance beautifully here. Fewer fuel stops mean more productivity, making it ideal for long-distance business use. Let's not forget the brand behind it. Mercedes-Benz has earned its reputation in the US by producing vehicles that last longer, perform better, and hold their value. When a business invests in a Sprinter, they aren't just buying a van, they're buying peace of mind. Reliability, durability, and engineering excellence are the core identity of this German brand, and the Extended 3500XD proudly reflects that. Today, in America's competitive commercial vehicle market, The Sprinter Extended 3500XD stands tall, literally and figuratively. It's big, it's powerful, it's smart, and it's built to work harder than any ordinary van. Whether it is used for cross-country logistics, mobile business operations, VIP transportation, or custom camper builds, this van delivers an unmatched combination of strength, technology, and Mercedes-level luxury. In simple words, this is the ultimate giant of U.S. commercial vans, a machine designed for those who want more space, more capability, and more confidence on every mile of every road across the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Extended 3500XD is not just a vehicle. It is a symbol of power, professionalism, and limitless potential. If you want a van that raises your business, elevates your style, and supports your biggest dreams, this is the one you choose. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and if you enjoyed this presentation, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more premium automotive content made just for you.